This is a public service announcement brought to you by Surfs Flooring. When should you hire Surfs? When you don't want dust all in your cabinets. When you don't want floor finish all over your baseboards and your tile. When you don't want to see this any time of day, no matter what the guidelines say, because sometimes we do want a closer look at that floor. When it just has to look right. It all matters to us. Yes, we have the certifications too, but at Surfs, certifications is just the start. Mastery never ends. If you want a premium floor, call Surfs.